congratulations to Mseleku and her fifth wife, Makhwela, on the arrival of their baby. Baby Mseleku was born on the 19th of January 2025 at 1950. They showed us on the season finale that the baby was born in January. And Samke also posted on her Instagram stories holding the baby. Did not show us the face of the baby, but they also posted a picture of Mseleku holding the baby as a newborn. And it just took me back to when Samke showed Mseleku the pregnancy test showing that she's pregnant, how excited he was, and that he can still produce babies or make someone pregnant. He was so happy and saying that she's just proven to everyone that he can still make babies, he can still get women pregnant. And all along, like, there's been a lot of talks regarding Makhwela, whether she's real or she's part of the act, just to make this team be interesting. But it appears that Usamke is indeed Mseleku's wife, and because now we see how baby Mseleku is here. We just don't know at this point if the baby is a boy or girl. But the baby is here, and Usamge is indeed Mseleku's wife. It was not part of acting. She is indeed wife number 5, and I think also because of the way things were happening when Mseleku went to pay lobola for her during the season, and while he had already told Makhwela he had already paid lobola, and Usamge telling her mom about Mseleku as if they've not paid lobola yet. There was just like a lot of like things that were not adding up, but clearly she is Mseleku's wife. She is the wife number 5, and she has already given Mseleku a baby. Congratulations to them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.